Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over our first coding tutorial in Python. The tutorial will cover comments as well as print statements. What I will be using is Pycharm. If you don't have Pycharm already installed on your computer, I do have a separate video for that, which I will attach in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. Click on New Project. And what we're going to name this project, we're going to call it Tutorial 1. Go ahead and create. And right now it's creating its virtual environment. Now that you've already created the tutorial project, go ahead and right click on where it says Tutorial 1 right here. Click on New and then click Python file. And what we're going to name this, we're going to name it Tutorial 1, just like the project. Press enter. All right, you've now created your first Python file. As in previous videos, go ahead and add the configuration. Click Add New Configuration. Click Python. Click the folder on the right-hand side and where it says script path. And then go ahead and select tutorial1.py. You don't have to change anything else from here. Click Apply and click OK. All right, before we get started, I just have to say this. In Python, just like with any other coding language, there are certain commands. And so one of the commands that we're actually going to be using today is print. Print is a universal command in Python, and we're going to be using it a lot, specifically in future tutorials for sure. So let's go ahead and write our print statement. So when you write a print statement, what you want to do is you want to, of course, write print and then put parentheses and then quotes. And then in between those quotes, you want to put whatever you want to output in that print statement. So in this particular case, we can put whatever we want. I'm just going to say, hello, how are you? Question mark. And then I'm going to press the little run button or play button at the top. And so at the bottom, you'll see, hello, how are you? Next, we're going to add comments. Comments are extremely easy. The purpose of a comment in Python is to explain each line of code. If a reader were to log into your program, the comment would help them understand exactly what you were thinking and what you're trying to accomplish with your line of code. So in this particular case, we're writing print, hello, how are you? Of course, that is self-explanatory. However, if someone is new, they would look at your comment and understand that, you know, you're trying to output or print something and output that particular thing that you're printing. So let's go ahead and add our comment. A comment is written like this with a number symbol. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to say in our print statement in our comment exactly what we're trying to accomplish with this print statement. So we can say this is a demonstration of how to use a print statement in Python. All right, we are done. It's good practice as a developer. It doesn't even matter if it's just Python or C++ or whatever. It doesn't matter what it is. It's always a good practice to add comments to your code. Not only for the person who may be using your code in the future, but also for yourself, so that you don't get lost. Because at the end of the day, when you're developing a Python program, you're going to be developing large amounts of code or writing large amounts of code. And so it's always a good thing to, put a comment just in case you get lost while you're writing your code. Believe me, it does happen. So All right, that is the end of this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends or anyone that you might know or that may be interested in learning Python. As I stated in previous videos on my channel, Python is a very fun language to learn. It's very user friendly, and it's very easy to learn. So of course, like I stated before, subscribe, share this video, like it, and I'll see you on the next video.